Hello guys and welcome. I'm pretty sure none of you would be surprised if I tell you that Milwaukee is one of the pioneers in the power tools tracking technology. But how many of you are aware that except for the battery pack over here, there's a second battery, a coin cell battery or a button cell battery, integrated in your One Key power tool, serving as a backup power source precisely for that tracking technology. In today's video, I'm going to show you where to find and how to replace that coin cell battery. Of course, before changing the battery, it's always good to be sure it's for change. So how can you find that? Pretty simple, you need to connect your power tool to the Milwaukee One Key app. Next, when you open the app, on the bottom of the page, there is this tab called coin cell. When you open it, you can find information about the condition of the battery. The conditions are 5, great, good, fair, poor and dead. Of course, if your battery is in poor or dead condition, it's advisable to change it. Finally, let me tell you where to find and how to change your coin cell battery. On almost every One Key power tool, the battery compartment is just next to the power terminals. You will need a small Phillips screwdriver and you have to remove the 2 screws. Now you have access to the battery compartment using your fingers, or in my case tweezers. You can pull out the battery board, and I don't think you need any more information how to replace the battery itself. That's it guys, pretty simple and straightforward. If you find this video informative, you know what to do. Bye and see you soon.